What's going on, everybody? Jonathan DeLeon here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through this cool platform called Fathom Video and exactly how you can download it. This video will be short, quick, and to the point, and really provide you that sort of detail. Anyways, all right. So when you're on Fathom Video Home, I got confused myself. So you don't click on these. What you want to do is click into the video. So, for example, if you were to click onto this video, you would be going, okay, cool. So you'd be going into the video where you can see the XYZ, right? Over here, you want to hit these three dots and then you want to hit download. Once it downloads the video, it should populate into your downloads. So you'll start to see it up here at the top right where it says preparing download. This is a little bit longer of a video, so it might take a minute. So you can do this for highlights. You can do this. Oh, there you go. The download started. So you can do this for highlights. You can do this for videos. And so once you have the video, you basically can open it up. So yeah, super easy, super simple. That's what I'd say. That is how you download a video in Fathom Video. Hopefully that helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.